Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum pre-3 class. How are you? I hope so. You all will be fine. Okay students, let's start our work. Look at the board. Today date June 5, 2021. Class work and day Saturday. Day Saturday. Okay. Class grade pre-3 phonics, subject phonics, lecture number 11. Today our topic am sentences. Okay, we have done first two sentences yesterday. Now we will revise these two sentences and we will do next three sentences. Okay, let's start reading. Look at the board. Okay, firstly, tell me this word. Good. Am. Which word is this? Am. Am. Read loudly. Am. Okay, let's start. Read this word. This. Which word? This. The is this. The is this. The is this. Is. This is. Read loudly. This is. This is. This is. Sam. Am. Sam. Am. Sam. This is Sam. This is Sam. Read loudly. This is Sam. Okay. Next. Her. He. Her. He. Her. He. Next. Lived. He lived. Read this word. Lived. Lived. He lived. Near. Near. This sound is E. Okay. Near. He lives near a. Read this. Dam. Well done. Good. Dam. Dam. He lives near a dam. Good. Read. This is Sam. Good. Well done. Next. He lives. Lives नहीं पढ़ना इसको. Lives. He lives near. 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 He lives near a dam. Dam. Okay. Now we will read new sentences. Okay. Look at the board. Read this word. Good. He. Her. He. Her. He. ठीक है. यहाँ पे नेम आया है या साउंड. नेम. ठीक है. इसको हमने नेम पढ़ना है. इसका ई साउंड नहीं पढ़ना. ठीक है, ई पढ़ना है नेम, ह ई ही। नेक्स्ट वर्ड है ई क ए, लाइक्स। लाइक्स कहते हैं पसंद करना, ठीक है, लाइक्स, ई क ए, लाइक्स। रीड अगेन, ई क ए, लाइक्स, ई क ए, लाइक्स, ई क ए, लाइक्स, ई क ए, लाइक्स। He likes, read loudly, he likes, he likes. Read again, he likes, e k s, likes. He likes, th of two, th of two. He likes two. Okay, tell me this sound. E. Good, well done. This is E sound. E. E. Read again. E. He likes to. Good. E and t. Eat. ठीक है, eat किसको कहते हैं? खाना. Eat, 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 eat. Read again. Eat, 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 eat. He likes to eat. He likes to eat. Eat, eat. He likes to eat jam. Jam. Okay, jam. He likes to eat jam. Eat, 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 eat. He likes to eat jam. Jam. This is Sam. He lives near a dam. He likes to eat jam. Okay? Eat, eat. E k s, like. E k s, likes. E k s, likes. He likes to eat jam. Next. He, and or also. And or also. He also. And or also. Read these difficult words again. And or also. He also. He also. He also. Read this. also. Also. Read again. Also. He also. He also. He also. E k s, likes. He also likes. E k s, likes. E k s, likes. ही आल्सो लाइक्स, उसे क्या पसंद है? जैम खाना। लाइक्स का क्या मतलब होता है? पसंद है। अगला सेंटेंस है ही आल्सो लाइक्स, और उसे और क्या खाना पसंद है? यैम, यैम, ठीक है, और उसे यैम खाना भी पसंद है। आल्सो का मतलब होता है भी, ठीक है, उसे यैम खाना भी पसंद है। ही आल्सो लाइक्स yam. Read again. He also likes yam. He also likes yam. Next is read this word. And read loudly. And play. प्ले का क्या मतलब होता है? खेलना, ठीक है। एंड प्ले, प्ले एंड प्ले। नेक्स्ट हम राइट करेंगे तो ये वर्ड बनेगा प्लेज, ओके। प्लेज, प्लेज and place. Read loudly. And place. And place. And place. With the. This sound is the. The with and place with. The with. Read again. The with and place with and place with. The with. किसके साथ खेलता है वो? सैम के बारे में बात हो रही है, ठीक है, कि सैम क्या करता है? डैम के नजदीक रहता है। उसका घर किसके पास है? डैम के पास है। और उसे क्या खाना पसंद है? जैम। और उसे और क्या खाना पसंद है? जैम, ठीक है। एंड प्लेज विद, और किसके साथ वो खेलता है? रैम, ram and plays with a ram and plays with a ram and plays plays and plays with a ram. Okay, now read again these sentences. Let's start from the first sentence. Look at the board. First word is this. First word is this is Sam. This is Sam. The is this. Okay. Next, he lives. Lives. Read the spell of lives. Lives. Near. near, dam. He likes, like. He likes to eat, jam. He also likes, like. He also likes yam. And plays, plays what is the with ram, ram. Okay students, now we will read these sentences on our book. Open your phonics book. Okay, open page number 7. We will read word then sentences. Okay, jam, 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 dam, dam, poem, pam, poem, pam, yam, 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 ram, 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 sam, sam. Okay, next page, page number 8. This is Sam. This is Sam. Sam. Look at the object picture. Sam. 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 He. He lives. 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 He lives near. Near dam. Dam. He lives near a dam. He likes. Likes. He likes to eat. Jam. He likes to eat jam. Next, he also, also, he also likes, likes. He also likes yam. He also likes yam. And place. Place. And place. Read the spell of and. And place. What is the with ram. Ram. Okay, now tell me this word. Lives. Good. Lives. Next, near. Near. Okay, likes. Likes. Also. Also. Good. And and, well done. Place. Okay students, आज आपका जो वर्क है, आपने पेज नंबर 8 पर जो 3 लास्ट सेंटेंसेस हैं आपने उनकी रीडिंग करनी है और ऑब्जेक्ट्स के नेम बुक पे राइट करने हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, स्टे ब्लेस्ड. अल्लाह हाफिज.